Hello guys, it's me Austin, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading a lot lately. Even though I don't have much of an off season really, I feel like with school and all, I haven't been able to make much content over these past several months. Although I've made a couple of solid theme park videos, but I promise you this summer I should have a good amount of content to upload because I have some pretty big plans this summer. Today, I just wanted to point something out to you that my friend pointed out to me, so shout out to Rex, I guess, my friend, for pointing this fact out to me. So, as you can see, this is Universal, let me check the channel. Yeah, Universal Orlando Resorts video for the Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket roller coaster at Universal Studios Florida, and this was posted to YouTube on May 16th, 2020, which was about 2 years ago. Yeah, tomorrow will be 2 years ago. Although at the time I upload this, it'll probably be tomorrow. So anyways, I did want to point out something a bit peculiar about this POV though. So if I skip a little bit to here, you'll notice something peculiar. So I'll let you see what it is. And in case you didn't see it, I'm going to run that back real quick. And I'm going to also put it in full screen. Okay, yeah, there it is. Now, take a good, careful look at this photo. Do you notice anything in particular that's a bit strange, a bit of an oddity, if you will? I'll give you a moment. If you haven't figured it out yet, take a look at the right side of the screen. Notice this figure right here. Notice Jimmy Neutron right here. That means that at the time of this recording, this ride was Jimmy Neutron's Nicktoon Blast. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, this is a dark ride. It was a simulator ride at Universal Studios Florida that opened in 2003, but it closed in 2011, over 10 years ago. Now, that ride is Despicable Me Minion Mayhem, which opened to the public on July 2nd, 2012, which is almost 10 years ago as well. So, that means that this is an old recording, but somehow it is in 4K. So, I'm just gonna say props to Universal for this. You know, I wasn't expecting this, but I find it weird that they waited quite literally pretty much 11 years. I'm gonna look at something up that I didn't look up before. Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket. And yeah, this opened August 19th, 2009, so that was like almost 11 years before this video was released. So I don't know why Universal has been hiding this high quality footage for so long, but hey, props for them for being ahead of their time in their theme parks. Also, I wanted to point something out to you real quick. I do have a Discord server right here, the Conquering Coasters server. It's a pretty cool server, and I'd recommend you join it. I'll put the link to it in my video description. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more roller coaster and theme park related content. And be sure to turn on post notifications to get notified of my newest and latest uploads. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.